The word of the day is abandon. Picture this. You left your group project at 2 a.m., turned off read receipts, and went to sleep while your teammates were spamming the chat. Congrats, you just committed academic abandon, a total abandonment of responsibility. Abandon is a verb and a noun, meaning to leave someone or something behind completely, with no intention of returning. Synonyms include forsake, desert, and relinquish. A memory trick for abandon is abandon. You don't want to be banned from coming back, so when you abandon, you're done. Gen Alpha refers to abandon slay when a confident quit becomes iconic. In today's news, dozens of climate delegates walked out of UN talks, effectively abandoning negotiations that had stalled for weeks. The SAT and GRE use abandon in formal contexts. For maximum points, pair it with reckless. Now for a clutch quiz. When UN climate delegates walked out of talks in Geneva this week, they effectively blanked negotiations that had been ongoing for years. The correct answer is B, abandoned. Share your answer and tag someone. Here is an SAT GRE/IELTS sentence. Facing mounting pressure from shareholders, the CEO was forced to abandon the company's ambitious expansion plan into Southeast Asia. SAT loves phrases like abandon a plan and with reckless abandon. Follow @VocabClutch for a new word daily.